Twitter. I'm just now getting going. I'm about to sign in real quick and we get rolling. Just give me a second. You see starting soon. Now that we're double aligned, I'm back to trading my props. I'll throw a little bit of extra risk on. Okay. Let me make sure Twitter can see. Hold on. Make sure Discord can see. All right, Discord, if y'all can see my screen, hit me in 888. Jay, Scotty Bugatti, come through. Welcome, John McWick. Okay. Make sure this is on the right screen too. I'm gonna get started here in about 5 minutes, everybody. In the meantime, before we really get going, Silos, what's up? Before we really get going, does anybody got any questions? Tony, what's up?
Good morning, team.
Morning, brother, man.
Next, I post in the group that when I'm scaling out like most. I actually want SPY to get to 645 so I can actually add more. Because I do believe we get about 623, 625 coming like the next weeks.
Magnet with the big plays, calling back to back. All right, everybody across the board, let's get into it. If you guys are in the building, hit me with a 888. Across the board on every platform, Twitter included. If you're in the building, hit me with a 888. There's a serious sound right there. When you hear that sound, it's time to get serious, super serious, right? Yeah, obviously we're selling off. We had a big move overnight. Congrats to everybody in this room. My boy Money Magnet. Big shout outs to Money Magnet calling out a nice swing short. Staying with the bias, no matter what. And now if you've held on to that play, you're now getting paid. So good job to him and good job to all of those who followed. Daily chart, in my opinion, now we're obviously back in the leg down. We have a new leg down lower, so that's downward trend. Going out to a 1 hour chart. Also rocking out here with the new expansion leg lower here. So price is going lower like this. So we're now double aligned to the downside. Double aligned to the downside. So that means I'm going to be looking for bearish LAFs and bearish areas. I have a few, all right, because again, we just expanded lower. I want price to go higher to go lower. Like I got one coming up right now. Maybe I'll take that at open. It will have to be strong, but I would prefer price to come into one of these two gaps because they have a PD array and a 1 hour chart behind them and then sell off. The areas of liquidity for a sell off or above or below. I'm sorry, the areas for a sell-off above are 23,633. Above that, we got 23,658. And above that, we got 23,690. One of these three levels, my opinion, will cause price to sell off. If we start to get above the highest one, I might change my bias depending on what price action is doing. That's going to be 23,690. If we start to get above that, I could change my bias depending on what price is doing. Okay. So that's it. I don't have any active engagement yet. We are smacking our heads into one of the key areas, which is here. So we'll see what happens. Yesterday, I really couldn't execute. I kind of got into a trade, but immediately got stopped out. After that, I didn't do anything else. I had to leave and handle some stuff either way. But besides that, let's make some money, y'all. Anybody got any questions for me? There's no questions. Turn that music back on, DJ. We're about 3, 4, 5 minutes away, something like that. Could be a little bit off there. Everybody in the crowd, what's up? Kenny J, Anthony, Swank, Benji J, my man's Florida, Stevie Bank, Mr. Bug, welcome back. Smurf, Ross, the Teflon Boss, DC Options, Ben Ray, Ty. I hope all of you guys are doing well. Hold on 1 second. All right, guys. Popping back up here. Look how we're sweeping this level I have pointed out. Let's see what they like to do. You got a little inversion here. Well, like I said, the first one, which we're at right now, this is the first one. I feel like that one's too close. We need more of a move higher. All right, prices continue to weave higher.
I have a request.
What up?
I think you have to play one time Boom Shakalaka
Boom chakalaka.
from Apache Indian. It was in Dumb and Dumber. It's too good. It fits the mood for today.
Price continues to go higher. 630 is the number to watch today to the upside. My bad, I'm sending out text messages to my wife real quick. I can't do nothing until 9:30. I don't trade pre-market. Will you drop? Let's go. News-wise, I didn't check what's upcoming today. Orange folder at 10 a.m., guys. Orange folder news at 10 a.m.
They call them dumps, big massive dumps.
Today! We have a Centaur setting up. Centaur is the breaker in IFEG. But remember my sizing chart. I'm putting my sizing chart back in the group. One minute till open, 1 minute till open. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding.
X, thank you for having the stream.
Yeah, I was about to say.
I appreciate you.
So, I mean, I was expecting a little bit more here at open. But, congrats, Kalon. You like to move it. Alright, so let's see this next level up. We got some relativity boosts here. Again, we had to move down, so, you know, a retracement can be expected. It's been a challenging start to the year, guys, so if you guys are in profits, make sure to take your profits, guys. So far, price moving higher, just moving. Everybody call out positions. Again, I was looking higher to go lower. If price is going to continue to do what it's doing, I would assume price to go. Oh, here we go. Tapped into the supposed break. It's not a breaker yet until price closes below. What I'm doing is just mapping. I'm just mapping. I'm not trading yet. So 1-to-1 trade, if that was the form. Now it is a 43-point stop. If you guys look at my chart that I posted inside the chat room, if it's 45, you can trade 8. So the big thing about trading is being able to have the right amount of size for your account and per trade. If you have too much size, if it goes to your target, congrats. But if you have too much size, all the red candles look painful. You want to be sized down where you can make enough money and not be super hot. You guys watch this breaker, waker, breaker, waker, breaker, waker. Watch this breaker, 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 breaker. We need price to get below, and you got a moving average here. You got not a moving average, but you got a IFEG here. All right, hold on. Let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna close. Next candle about to come out. Did not tap the breaker. Damn, we needed to at least tap the breaker. Downside target will be this low. Oh, man. Didn't tap the IFEG here. Did not tap the breaker. And I got the breaker at the wick too.
I held out most of my SPX puts. I've got runners until the 2nd for the 650 puts for SPY. I will call out when I'm adding back more.
Good stuff, bro. If it wicks back into the box, I'm not a big fan. Downside target right now is 575.
1 second, let me map that. How do you get it? How are you getting 575?
That's Alpha C.
Okay.
The entry was around 618. I just didn't get a retest.
Yeah. They're gonna buy it today, but I hope they do buy it because I want to just add my short position so it makes my life fruitful.
No retest of the breaker. Gotta follow my rules, even though I'm right on where price is gonna go. We got Alpha C here at 575. Not engaged.
Actually, I scalped the short. I scalped the short.
Got a small little one here, but the RR is not worth it. Target hit. Oh my god, my target got hit. So, I mean, good call out, good play, good call out. You know, obviously we know how to trade, right? We know what we're doing. The issue was here in this particular trade, I couldn't get a retest, so therefore I didn't enter. If we had pulled back on this at all, I would have got in. But nothing. Not even on NQ. Nothing. So good call out, everybody. If you took the direction, you good. The next target down is going to be 493. We'll have to wait for something to develop. All right, Twitter, it's Friday. We like to hang out on Fridays, so we're going to shut down Twitter super early. If I had taken that trade, I would have been done. So Twitter, we're going to go ahead and shut down already. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out inside of us, inside the Discord. We are live inside the Discord. You know, we're just going to move over to talking shit early and watching this chart, because I don't think we're going to get another setup until about 11. All right, guys, so yeah.